All right, this is the new Puritan Bennett 980. This is an instructional video that's tailored more to the nursing side of things. I want to just introduce you to a few things. This will only be about a 2-minute video. It's very similar to our other ventilators. We will be keeping the blue Avias. These just replace some of our much older vents. Let's just start right off the bat. I'm going to kind of follow along the screen here that kind of follows your mechanical ventilator check. The first thing you want to look at is modes. Here is where your mode is going to be. You're going to see a AC, VC. What this is assist control, volume control. So your mode is volume, and the mode is assist control volume. You're going to see this VC plus. What this is going to point to is more of a PRVC specific type of thing that we will always dial in. So how did I get to it? I just tapped on it. Everything is touchscreen. So you get your modes there. It'll pop up here. You can hit it again and it'll go away. Then we're going to come down to tidal volume. These are all your parameters. These are going to be your measured values up here. These are your parameters. So, got your tidal volume here, you got your rate, you have your FiO2, you have your PEEP. Up here, you're going to have your exhaled tidal volume. You're going to have your total minute volume, and of course your total rate. So that's kind of how the screen is laid out. So you get your parameters down here and your measured values up here. And everything in between is going to be more waveform scalers for troubleshooting. Another important thing to know, this button right here is the alarm silence. That's an important one. And you see this O2 100%? You hit that and that's 100% O2 for 2 minutes. What we're going to do is we're going to stop that and we're going to cancel that. Another thing, some of you feel comfortable about putting this machine in standby. I want to show you how to do that. Everything is on a slide. It's pretty cool. You can get to all kinds of measured parameters. You can tap some of these things twice. It can go into big numbers. And then if you go over here for standby, tap menu, and there it is, standby. And what it's going to say is, I'm not going to go into standby until I can tell that there's someone not on the other end. So as soon as you disconnect them, you hit confirm, and this is in standby. Now, there's only one last thing to know about this machine. We are used to putting caps on the circuits with our Avias. This machine will, it's constantly blowing air through here, so it'll never allow a microorganism to get into the circuit. If you cap this, it's going to think it's on a patient, and it's going to try to ventilate, and it will come out of standby and alarm and then go into a safety mode. So the biggest quirk with this new machine, this Puritan Bennett 980, is that the only time we'll put the caps on them is if it is completely shut off. So what we're going to do is we're going to hit exit standby. I'll just do another quick run through and then I think that should do it. Alarm silence. Mode. This is pretty much always going to be assist control, which is volume plus, which is a PRVC. There's your parameters, your ordered parameters, rate, tidal volume, FiO2, and PEEP, and here are your measured values. Yep, there's your minute volume, your total rate, exhaled tidal volume. And then to put it into standby, I'm going to tap on the menu here, standby, disconnect the patient, and then hit confirm. Okay? I think that'll do it, guys. We'll bring this out to your unit too, and so you guys can get familiar with seeing it. Okay? Thank you.